Hello everyone, welcome back to another Oracle tutorial. This is more advanced tutorial for DBA, database administration. So today I'm going to talk about the flashback recovery in Oracle Database 19c. Uh, what is the purpose of flashback recovery? Let's say someone has deleted a table or someone has a truncated table. So how to restore that deleted table or truncated table in point in time. So this is the purpose of usage of flashback recovery. So let's get started. Uh, you have to open CMD, then you have to connect with your database. Now you have to switch the session to the pluggable database. My pluggable database name is ORCLPDB. Let's open the pluggable database. In my case, the pluggable database is already open. Now, let's uh, let's connect with the pluggable database as a sysdba. This is my pluggable database. We are connected. Then I'm going to check something here if my flashback is on or not. In my case, the flashback on is not enabled, but a DBA, in order to perform flashback recovery in the future, he is supposed to change this to yes. So in order to do that, we have to follow the steps. Also, I'm going to check one more thing, log mode. Okay, we are already in archive log. So first, in order to change this to yes, these are the steps. First, you have to connect a sysdba. Okay, then shut down the database. Okay, there is something spelling mistake, I think. Okay, you have to shut down the database. It takes time to shut down the database. Then we have to start up the database in mount mode. Okay, so the next step is startup mount. Now it's time to set the flashback to on. Previously we checked it was off. I'm going to pause the video because it seems gonna take some time. Okay, database mounted. Now alter database flashback on. Let me fix this. Let me pause the video. Well, so when I start to alter database flashback on, I got this error. Recovery area is not enabled. So if you face with that kind of issue where the error code is aura 3879, so you have to run these two commands: alter system cdb recovery file disk size 50 gigs scope both SID, and also alter system cdb recovery file disk to data scope both SID. Now, let's try to alter database flashback on. I think we will need to write this one. Okay. Well, so I got an error because it says when I run alter database flashback on, the problem was here alter system cdb recovery file disk. You cannot specify the cluster. Like it's more like ASM. As long as I'm not using the rack database, so it's not a good option to go with plus data. It's more like a rack database ASM configuration. Since my database is a single instance, so I have to specify the parameter of DB recovery file disk as a local C app backup. Then I'm able to alter database flashback on. So previously it was giving me invalid cluster configuration because I tried to configure it as a cluster plus data. So it's not a good option for a single instance. Then what you can do is set DB recovery file disk locally. Like this is C drive app and backup. This is the place of recovery area. So now I'm able to alter database flashback on. Okay. So now after that, I have to alter database open again. It's trying to open the database open. And now let me check the flashback on is on or not. Yes. Now it shows flashback on is yes. So all DBA, I recommend to set flashback on to yes. Probably sometimes they might need it to use it in case if someone truncate the table, in case someone delayed a record. So always it's a good practice that flashback on should be yes. Now, let me open the flaggable database. My flaggable database name is RCLPDB. Okay, let's open. Now, alter session set container to RCLPDB. Let's switch to pluggable database. Okay. Let's create a table for a test, and then we're gonna work on this table. Create table T1 as select start from HR dot implies. Table created. Now, let's create a restore point. Restore point created. Let's check the system change number and restore point name from database. Select system change. SCN stands for system change number, time name from $, restore point. So we have created restore point one, and this is the system chain number, and this is the date and time. So basically, when we create a restore point, it shows system chain number, it takes restore point number, and the dates. Now, let's create another restore point, create restore point test, guarantee flashback database. Okay, this is created. So we're gonna drop this because as long as we have restore point one, we already created. Okay, now it's time to flashback database to a particular point in time. Let's say someone truncated a table. Now it's time to flashback your database to a particular time. How? Let's make a query. Let's have information about our database. Select oldest flashback system chain number, oldest flashback time from $, flashback database log. Flashback database log. Currently, I have to. Okay, there is it. This guy is complaining. Okay, so the oldest flashback system chain number is this one, and this is the oldest flashback time. So right now, the database chain number, system chain number is this one. Let's let's count the rows from the table that we have created. So we have 107 records on the table that we created. And let's verify again the system chain number, the current system chain number of database. Select current system chain number from $, database. So basically, before was this, and now every time a transaction is happening, system chain number got changed and updated. So right now, this is the chain number. Okay, now it's time to connect a DBA. Okay, now create restore point employee. I think we don't need it because we already created restore point one. But for a test, I'm gonna create another one. So let me change the session to pluggable database. Okay. Now someone by mistake is gonna truncate the table. Let's drop the table. Truncate table T1. Basically, we have our system chain number, we have our restore point that is RP1. So now we can truncate the table. Table gone. And if you count, no record is there. So previously we had 107 record. Okay, the table is gone. Now it's time to flashback your database and point in time. Okay. Now exit from SQL. Now connect with the Arman Recovery Manager. Target. Okay. Here, shut down the database. Shut down immediate. I think it's a misspelling. Misspelling. Shut down immediate. Okay. Once we shut down, then we're gonna start up the database in mount mode. Now it's time how we can restore the truncated table. All this video is all about how to restore deleted or truncated table. So now it's time how we can restore. So that's the usage of flashback recovery. Okay, start amount. We drop the employee one, but we have the RP one. Let's wait. It's going to take some time to start amount. Please encourage me by pressing the bell icon and hit the and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This way you're gonna motivate me to make more videos. So I have the plan to make more Oracle Advanced tutorial, which is very useful for the database administrator. Whoever position is database administrator, my video will be very helpful for them. So please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so the database is open in the mount. Now let's do flashback database to restore point employee one. Okay, so flashback database to restore point employee one. Now we have restored. Alter database open. Okay, I think we have to do alter database in reset looks first because that's the error. Okay, once we did, we can open the database. Database is open in reset logs. Alter database open is already open. Okay. Now let's check all plus this DBA. Okay. Now let's switch to the pluggable database. Let's try if our table is back. Oh, database or pluggable database not open. Alter pluggable database ORCL PDP open. Okay. Now let me try this one. You can see I have recovered the truncated table. Now the database is data is back. So we have deleted 107 record. Now the record is back. So thank you so much and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. If you like my video, please like it. And if you have a suggestion, please do not forget to write your comments in the below section so that way I can make more videos and your suggestion is most welcome. Thank you so much. Bye.